Hello there, my name is Lisa and I'm a designer for Cocoa Daisy. I'm going to be using the July memory keeping kit, the memory making kit today. I've got some bits and pieces here. I've got this piece here from the main kit, the 12 by 12, and I've also got the Here and There 40 piece ephemera pack from Crate Paper, and this is going to be the main focus of the page, the main thing that I'm using. This came in the classified kit this month. I've also got a few other bits and pieces from the kit that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be doing a page about traveling, and this is going to be the first page of my new 12 by 12 album as we are heading off on a trip very soon, and this will be the first page of the album. I've kind of laid out some bits and pieces that I want to use, and I'm going to start by using a little bit of white acrylic paint. It's always handy to do the bits like this. This is really thick and gunky that will need to dry first, so I'm going to use an old credit card and I'm going to just smear that along. Let's do a little bit at the top as well. It's a little bit thicker than I would have liked. I think I need to clean out this paint pot. I'm going to give that a dry and then I continue with the page. So this is kind of dry. Like I said, it's gone on much thicker than I kind of planned, but it will be okay. I'm now going to be using some bits from the planner kit as well. I love this vellum. It's so nice. But what I want to do, rather than just stick it on flat, I'm going to ruffle up the edges just a little bit. I haven't done this technique for ages. I'm just going to rough them up just a little bit. To create some mini tears and folds, and then I'll stick it onto the page. And now I've got everything ready. I'm going to be using mostly bits from the Here and There pack that I had. I've taken out the pieces that I want and I'm just going to create a design going across the page. So I've got most of the bits and pieces on the page. I am going to add a little bit of colour to the white. I'm going to use some of the ink. It is quite strong though. This comes in the kit this month. So I am going to add a little to some water. So I'm just dropping a few bits. I've only got a tiny amount of water. Whoops, I've got it on my top there, on the worktop. I'm just adding a little bit and I'm going to paint with that, just a little on top of the white paint, just to add a little bit of colour. I quite like that. And that there. Splash a little bit of the ink as well. So that's the diluted ink look. I'm going to pop that over to one side. It's you've got the same colour, but obviously it's not as strong as it would have been. It is quite a dark blue. So I've got most things there stuck down, which I'm happy about. Now I also wanted to try something else a little bit messy. I'm going to be using the ink pad from the kit, and I've got a little bit of string here and I wanted to colour it to go on the end of my tag. Some scrap paper here that I've just taken out of my waste paper basket, and I've taken this string from a tag and I'm just going to go over it just to add a little bit of colour, and then I'm going to tie this on the tag. Again, it's just another way to make a little bit of extra colour on the page. I really like that. I will add a couple of bollops of PVA glue just to hold the string in place. Please don't ask me what a blob is. I think that was a combination of spot and blob. I'm forever getting my words muddled up. Does anybody else do that? I'm always getting like half words, so you get half of one word and half with the other. So there's the string. I think that's something else I need to clean out. My glue is really thick and yucky. I am going to fill out places I want to see, and I think I'm almost done. So I filled out some of the places that I really want to see on this trip. Some will be easier than others. And I'm also going to be using some of the stickers. These are also from the Planet, I'm doing it again, from the Planner kit, not Planet kit. I see what I mean, I'm always getting my words muddled up. So I'm going to use some of these stickers. I like the fact that there's like a travel planner, hello July notes, and there's July thing there as well, because that's obviously when the trip is happening. So these will be quite handy. I like the fact that my planner kit really goes well and complements the memory keeping kit as well. And there I've added quite a few of the stickers, and I've just gone around with a black pen, and that's the finished layout, the first page of my summer 2018 scrapbook. I just need to buy one now. I haven't got a spare one. So I hope you've enjoyed that today. If you have any questions, please do ask. I hope you've enjoyed this today, and if you also love 12 by 12 scrapbooking and travel, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.